sure. Be confident. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on the present. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Welcome back today with me, you and I. Those of you who have been following me understand when I say me, the reality inside of me. You mean the physical. I mean the physical. Me and you and I. So if you have not come in contact with that which is in you, you will not understand what I just said. Or if you come in contact with that which is in you, well, I'm here to tell you something about opinion. That's what I'm talking about today. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I just want to go straight into this message because what I'm about to say now is going to blow your mind. Like you know, you are here with me, Obuslala, Breakthrough Talk. This is Breakthrough Talk. So let me go and come back and tell you what you need to know about the power of your opinion. Everything inside your life has power. So your opinion is very important. Everything inside your life has power. So your opinion is very important because he who has no opinion and depend on the opinion of others is a slave. He who has no opinion of his own and depend in the opinion of others is a slave. Let me go and come back. I'll tell you.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Like I said, I'm back again to talk to you based on opinion. So every day, you need to know that your opinion belongs to you and you alone. You hear what I just said? I say every day you need to know that your opinion belongs to you and you alone. Why did I say that? Because that is what you need. If you don't have opinion and you begin to rely on other people's opinion, you'll be living like a slave because he who has no opinion of his own is already a slave because you'll be living based on regret or based on pain. Because you take somebody's opinion and that opinion will not sort your problem because you have a problem and that problem is inside of you. Every problem is inside of you because that is, you generate it from outside of you and put it inside of you, and that problem is not supposed to be inside of you at the first place. So you have to go inside of you and take it out, because when you begin to think and begin to ask people what did they think about what you need to do on earth, no, you don't have your own opinion. So if you are a person on this earth living, you need to have your own opinion and know that your opinion belongs to you. Your opinion can't. Your own opinion can't. But you have to know one thing again, that your opinion may be wrong from another person's point of view. Their own may be right. Your opinion may be right. Their own may be wrong. But if you see that your opinion belongs to you, if somebody came to argue with you based on opinion, no. If you argue back, you don't value your opinion. If you argue back with somebody based on opinion, there is no way you can scatter somebody else's opinion. So you don't need to argue. So when you understand the power of opinion, that this opinion belongs to me, you will not, anybody that say your opinion is not right, you say, okay, thank you. You move on. You will not have time because it does not come outside of you, it's inside of you. What you think about yourself is the most important thing on earth. What you think about yourself is the most important thing on earth. So every day, like I say, you know, my teaching is based on every day. Every day, you have to know that your opinion matter. Why am I using the word opinion? Because that's what I'm talking about. Ask yourself, is your opinion making you regret, or is your opinion making you having pain? And if you don't have opinion, you know what's wrong with you? You are scared of something. And if you are scared of something, you will not be living based on yourself. You will be living based on other people's idea, other people's opinion, other people's choice, which has nothing to do with you. Because the real you, like I used to say, the physical you has nothing to do with the real you. The physical you, as you are looking at me like this my physical thing has nothing to do with you, but what is coming out of my mouth has everything to do with you. That's why you come in contact with this video. I say, this physical me talking to you now has nothing to do with you. You may not like me and receive what I have for you, because this video coming in contact with you now is not by mistake. And you watching it, it's your opinion to watch it. And watching it is not coincidence. There's something inside for you. So just pause. Pay attention. I'll come back now and give you something you need to know, more valuable about what I call opinion from the realm of uncertainty. I said opinion from the realm of uncertainty. Let me go and come back. I will talk to you. Just give me a minute.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
I'm back again to let you know we're talking about the subject of opinion. The topic we are talking about now it's all about opinion. And every day you need to know that your opinion is different from the truth. Every day you need to know that your opinion is different from the truth, because you are entitled to your opinion, but you are not entitled to the truth. Your opinion belongs to you. You can create any kind of opinion. Your opinion can be good, but if it does not fit into what is going on in the moment, you have to leave your opinion alone. If your opinion is not going to help you to live the life you want to live at this moment, you have nothing to worry about. Just let it be, because it's different from the truth. All you need is going inside yourself and get the truth from your heart, because your opinion, you may generate it from your head, but all you need to live a very good life that will make you be fulfilled on earth is inside your heart. What do I mean? If you know your opinion will not count in everything you do at this moment, you have a problem with yourself if you don't let it go. Let me tell you something. There was a rich man in a certain town who has his opinion to himself. He doesn't have problem with other people's opinion. There was a poor man who is a farmer and an hunter. He's a farmer at the same time he hunts. He has a lot of wives. This rich man was just there, living, making himself happy. The poor man has a lot of wives. Every day he go to the bush, he come back, he bring different stuff, he bring different meat, he give to the people. All the poor people around, they are eating. There was another man there baking bread. Every day that man brought different kind of bread, give to people. And somebody asks, how come this man with this plenty wife go to the bush and bring us meat and we eat? This rich man over there is not giving us everything. That man went to comfort the rich man. He has his own opinion, did not keep his opinion to himself. He take his opinion now and went to comfort somebody that has nothing to do with him. And started accusing the rich man. How dare you are wealthy? You live in this area. Look at this man with these people. And he always giving them meat. Look at that man that is bakery. Always giving them bread, giving them things to eat. But you are just there. Every day you will be smiling, looking at people happy. What kind of selfish man are you? Well, I don't know. The rich man want to say something, but it's mine. Because his opinion belongs to him. That other person's opinion belongs to him. He did not say anything. As time goes up, people are eating. Anytime that man is passing, you look at the rich man with a negative point of view. So one thing happened, the rich man died. When he died, that man spread lies up and down that man is a wicked man. He doesn't care about nobody. So nobody attended his funeral. Other people from outside of the state, they came. They do the funeral, they left. That man that has his opinion did not keep his opinion to himself. He still went around and met the man that is hunting that, ever since this rich man died, you don't hunt again, you don't bring meat to us. He went to meet the man doing bakery. You don't give us bread ever since this rich man died. Both of them now said, the rich man is the one that is paying us money to go into the forest, paying us money to buy flour, to make sure we bake for the people around. He was speechless. You see why I said your opinion belongs to you? Your opinion belongs to you. You see what I just said? That rich man that does not say anything is the one actually feeding the whole village. But he does not make his opinion be known to everybody. So you have to know that your opinion matter, but matter to you alone. Your opinion matter, but matter to you alone. So if you don't understand the purpose of your opinion, you'll be living based on the realistic of what I usually say, illusion. Let me go back and come and break both of them down. Let me tell you what you need to do to understand that your opinion not just can't, but it matter. Come back and talk to you.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Welcome back. Like I said, every day you need to know that everyone has the right to their own opinion. Yours is just wrong. Every day you need to understand that everyone has the right to their own opinion. Yours is just wrong. What do I mean? If you come to me with your opinion and I come with you with your opinion, do you think I'm going to leave my own and take your own? No. Every day you need to understand that opinion did not even need you and I to travel. Opinion can travel. Maybe you need Facebook, maybe you need Twitter. Maybe you need a car, maybe you need a cell phone. But you are entitled to your own opinion. I'm entitled to my own opinion. So there are some certain things you need to know about your opinion. Your opinion matters to you. And when you know your opinion matters to you, you begin to live from the realm of what I call pure potentiality. Pure potentiality. Because when you live from the realm of your own opinion, you know nobody will judge you. Nobody will judge you. Because your opinion has nothing to do with knowledge. Has nothing to do. Share his definition of opinion. You know that it has nothing to do with knowledge. It goes beyond the power of what you see physically. You go inside of yourself and begin to ask. You understand? If you understand what I'm saying all the time, I use the word understand. Because a lot of people, they read, they hear, but they don't understand. You hear what I just said? I say a lot of people, they read, they hear, but they don't understand. Because they find it difficult to listen. And even though they listen, they don't hear. Because from the realm of listening, you come to the realm of hearing. And when you begin to hear that which is in you, fear will still be there. Fear will still be there. You have opinion right now, watching me. This is what I do for a living. There's something that you know you want to do, but you are not doing it now. You know inside of you there's something you need to do that will give you joy. That which you can do that nobody will pay you. You have that opinion within you. Why not just pause? Let this video be the center of contact of why you need to go back and do that which you need to do. When I say go back, not to the past, not to the future. Go back within yourself from today. Don't allow, maybe you would have started this thing last year, this, that. Don't worry about those things. Everything will work together. This is the purpose why you need to start what you need to start. This is why you come in contact with me today. So what you have to do now is that go into yourself and let that opinion which you have desire to use to live on this earth, to move. Let this one be the stepping stone of where you need to place that your opinion, so that you can move the way you're supposed to move. Because a lot of people today, they are living on this earth based on illusion, that which is not real. They are telling themselves they want to do this, they want to do that. That is not what they need to be doing on earth. And now I'm here to let you know that if you do that which you're supposed to do on earth, you will not see that opinion that you think it doesn't matter. It matters a lot because it belongs to you. That opinion belongs to you because our time here is limited. Your time here on earth is limited. I say your time here so walk with your emotion based on opinion. If you allow your emotion rule over you, you will never enjoy it because God put it there so that you can enjoy it. The things you are doing, just like me now. The only time I allow my emotion to rule over me when I talk, you see, there's excitement inside of me. There's something inside of me that gives me joy. When I talk, that's my own opinion. So I can't be teaching what will not give me joy. This thing I'm telling you, I've put into practice. It has worked for me. So let your opinion, you are entitled to your opinion. If I tell you that I have many things to say regarding opinion, I don't think you can bear them. But you don't need to hear many words. Just one word will change your life. That one word is inside of you. That one word is inside of you. It has been there for a while. But if you can just enter inside of you, the light will shine. If you enter inside of you, I say the light will shine. I call it reality. Not physical, reality. Now you are seeing me physical. But when you enter inside of you, I use that word a lot, reality, because that is where you need to live. That is where you need to stay. That is where you need to sleep. That is where you need to laugh. That is where you need to bath. Everything about your life is reality. Looking at me without touching me physically, and something going on inside your head, the opinion that you have for yourself has given you the access to look at me now. Know what you do? Share this video. If you believe that this video touched something inside of you, walk around, tell your friends, this is what I need you to learn. This is what I need you to see. Have you put smile in people's face? That's what you need to do. This one will make you put smile in people's face. Leave. Don't worry about what will happen to you, because that is the problem. Why people cannot even allow their opinion to work for them. They keep asking themselves, hey, if I do this thing, how will it happen? How will it happen? Don't worry about that. If you go inside yourself, you see why it will happen. If you go inside yourself, you see why it will happen. Don't let anybody manipulate you. Your opinion matters, but it belongs to you alone. It can't. I will come back next time and talk to you from the realm of uncertainty. Now, let me leave you with just this. Everything you want to do, everything you need to know, and everything you're supposed to become is inside of you. You hear what I just said? Everything you want to do, everything that you need to become, everything that you're supposed to be is inside of you. So go inside of you. Don't let yourself tell you that if you go inside of you, things will not happen. Things will happen. Not based on illusion, based on reality. The moment is the most important time of your life. So go inside of you and assess the moment. I'll come back and talk to you next time. See you. God bless you.